Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will show you how to make delicious funnel cake from pancake mix. It's a super simple and fun recipe that's perfect for a treat. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, 1 cup of water, and 1 large egg. Don't forget about 3 inches of vegetable oil for frying and plenty of powdered sugar for that classic finish. Make sure you have a funnel with a small opening ready to go. Now let's get that batter ready. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your 1 1/2 cups of pancake mix with 1 cup of water. Then crack in your 1 large egg. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until you have a smooth batter with no lumps. The consistency is key here. It should be thin enough to flow easily through your funnel, but not watery. If it seems a little too thick, add just a tiny splash more water until it's perfect. It's time for the fun part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour your prepared batter through the funnel into the hot oil, creating a circular, overlapping pattern. Fry each funnel cake for approximately 1 minute per side, or until it turns a lovely golden brown and looks crispy. Remember to use tongs to carefully flip it over for even cooking. Once your funnel cake is perfectly golden, carefully remove it from the hot oil using tongs. Let any excess oil drip off, then place it onto a wire rack lined with paper towels to absorb even more oil. This helps keep it nice and crispy. Now for the best part. Generously dust your warm funnel cake with a thick layer of powdered sugar. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious, homemade funnel cake. It's a fantastic treat that's sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.